topic we are discussing about encryption. What is encryption? So encryption is used to send the intelligent data in a non-intelligent form. So that is nothing but we are sending the data in a ciphertext mode so that hackers can't read it. So the original data which we are sending is called as a plain text, and the data which we are encrypting is called as a ciphertext. So in this encryption process we are having two techniques. The first one is substitution technique and the next one is the transposition technique. In substitution technique, we are going to replace the letter in a plain text with a different letter to form a ciphertext. In transposition technique, we are going to just use the permutations, nothing but repositioning of the characters in the plain text in order to convert it into a non-intelligent form so that hacker can't read it. So the first and the simple most technique in the substitution is nothing but the Caesar cipher. In Caesar cipher, first what we are going to take is, we are going to take the alphabets, English alphabet, where we are going to have 26 characters. Each character is given a number starting from 0 to 25. Okay. And next, here we are using a small size, lowercase letters in order to represent the plain text. And we are using the capital letter format in order to represent the ciphertext. We are having a simple formula for encryption, which is nothing but plain text plus key mod 26. As we are having 26 characters, we are performing a modular division with number 26. And in the receiver side, he has to perform decryption operation in order to read the original message. And the formula for the decryption is nothing but ciphertext value minus key value mod 26. Okay. And both encryption and decryption process are going to take the same key value. And in symmetric encryption, here we are going to have two encryption standards, which is nothing but symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption. In symmetric encryption, we are going to use a single key where the sender and receiver is both are having an understanding on the key. So that's the reason here if we observe, we are going to take the value of 3 in both encryption as well as in the decryption. Coming to asymmetric encryption, we are going to have two keys. So one is called as a private key and one is called as a public key. Okay. Now this is a cipher is purely related to the symmetric encryption, where we are going to have a single key and that single key is called as a private key or a shared key, which is already shared between these both people, sender and the receiver. And the key must be transferred from sender to receiver in a secure manner. Okay. Now let us take a small example for this concept. For suppose the plain text. For the plain text, I am going to take a message hi. Means the sender motto is to send a message hi to his friend who is nothing but a receiver. Okay. As a notation, we are following lowercase letters for the plain text. So first, as we already discussed, we have given numbers to the alphabets. For the alphabet H, the number given is 7 and the key value is 3. So in the encryption process for H, we are taking the number 7 plus 3 and we must modulo division. We must perform the modulus operation for the result with 26. Then we are going to have the remainder 10. Now see the letter related to the value of 10, which is nothing but K. So this is a ciphertext related to this plain text character H. And next our plain text character is A. The value related to the A is nothing but 0. Okay, and the key value is 3. And we are performing a small simple addition and performing the modulus operation with 26. And the remainder is 3. Now go and see the character related to 3, which is nothing but D. As we already discussed previously, the ciphertext will be represented in the capital letters. So we are representing the ciphertext letters in the capitals. And the next character is I. Now go for the letter I and see the number we are given, which is nothing but 8 and the key value is 3. So perform the addition operation and the result is 11 and you modular division. Perform the modular division operation for 11 with 26. As 11, 3, 10, these are all numbers which are smaller than 26. Obviously the remainders come to these numbers. For suppose, see, as 11 is already lesser than 26. So 26 will be multiplied with 0 and the remainder is here. Now the letter related to 11 is nothing but L. So we are following a notation of capital letter for ciphertext. So we are representing L. Now this is the way how we convert the plain text to ciphertext, and we will be going to send that to the receiver. In the receiver side, he is going to perform the decryption operation but the formula is going to use is minus. So see, the 11 value is taken for the 10 value is taken for k, and we are going to subtract the key value, and the resultant value character is placed over here. In this way, the decryption process can be carried out.